Hi, this is Tanawasley Councilman Jorge Guadron. I represent Brentwood, North Bay Shore, and areas of Central Islip. We are expecting blizzard conditions this weekend in our area. So we are asking that you please do not park your cars on the streets, but rather park your cars on your driveways and lawns, even though parking on lawns is not allowed, but we will make the exception this time. So once again, please park your cars on your driveways and lawns so that DPW crews can effectively remove the snow in your area. If you want more information, please call the number that you see on the screen. If you are in an emergency, please dial 911. Thank you.